Hi, we are Nuria and Lucía, and this is our plant Matilde. Today we're going to talk about online advertising, concretely SEO, SEM and Google Ads. This may sound a little bit like gibberish, but we're here to help you understand it better. Before diving into the definition of these terms, we first need to understand the general context. So let's begin with a question. How much money is spent on online advertising worldwide? Well, according to Statista, it was calculated that the total spending in 2021 was over $500 billion. The source projected that by 2026 it would reach more than $800 billion. We can clearly see how this sector is trending upward, and for years to come it will grow even more. But how can we define online advertising and why is it so important? Online advertising, among many other names, is a marketing strategy that involves the use of the internet as a medium to obtain website traffic, and it delivers marketing messages to the right customers. The presence of the internet entails changes to the traditional strategy. While traditional advertising focuses on a mass audience and includes TV, radio ads, newspapers, or billboards, online advertising has developed a wide range of strategies that drive more traffic and target the audience at a low budget. According to the HubSpot blog, we can identify 4 main types of online advertising. First, we have display advertising on websites. We also have social media advertising on platforms like Instagram or TikTok. Then we have native advertising, which is not that noticeable in the first place as it imitates the content, format, and style of the platform, like sponsored reviews or posts. And last but not least, we have paid search advertising, which is the topic we will be focusing on. This type of online advertising is located in search engines such as Google or Yahoo. If you don't know what a search engine is, let's go to the basics. Internet is huge, and with every second it passes, it becomes even bigger. So it's a good thing that search engines can help us find the exact thing we're looking for. However, to be able to do that, they always carry out 3 steps. First, crawling, where automated software like crawlers or bots examine the content accessible online. Then, indexing, where they classify the content within categories. And lastly, ranking, where they decide what content is most valuable for users and present it ordered. So, you could ask yourself, how do crawlers give preference to one website among the others? You're lucky, we do know the answer, and if we didn't, we would have a problem with our teacher. For being able to rank the content, crawlers first need to decipher the content published online. They do so thanks to various parameters like if your website is running properly or if your content is relevant to the search query. Search engines can know if what your website offers is important or not thanks to several nerdy things that, luckily, we don't need to explain in this video. However, it is crucial that you know the most important one: keywords. Keywords are ideas and topics that define what your content is about. They are the words and phrases that users enter into search engines to find what they are looking for, also called search queries. Think of it as instructions for crawlers. The more instructions you give them, the more accurate the results will be. Helping crawlers understand the information you're looking for and your intentions guarantees better performance. We call these accurate descriptions long tails. For example, cats can have a lot of competition among search results. You might find blogs, vets, animal shelters, memes. However, a search like "Adopt a cat in Valencia" would be a good example of a long tail that could help crawlers show the most accurate results. Now that we know what search engines are and how they work, let's talk about the 2 main types of content organization that we can find among search results. The first one is known as search engine optimization, or SEO. This is the process of presenting websites ranked according to their relevance and their connection with the user's search query. In this process, search results are called organic, as these websites do not need to pay anything to improve their visibility. For this reason, we can find a lot of competitiveness among marketers. The second type of content organization is search engine marketing, or SEM. SEM are ads that appear when you search for certain words on the internet. But isn't that kind of the same as SEO? Well, yes, but this one is paid by advertisers and is always at the top of search results. The location of these ads is very different from organic results, and they even have an ad sign so that you can identify them easily. We already know how search engines rank regular SEO results, but even if SEM is also tied to those parameters, it has an added element. Marketers fight for the position of their ads through keyword bidding. For example, imagine we have 4 advertisers competing for a space on the search results page, and they are willing to pay $4, $3, $2, and $1 for a user to click on their ad and visit their website. So, in this particular case, the first advertiser was bidding $4, but they would only have to pay 0.02 above the bid of the second highest advertiser. The same thing applies to advertiser 2 and to advertiser 3. This design allows each advertiser to bid their true maximum willingness to pay for a click. Another particularity about SEM is that marketers only pay when users click on their ads. For this reason, if no one clicks on your ad, you don't need to pay anything. This is also known as pay-per-click. So, now that we know about SEM and SEO, let's talk about some of their do's and don'ts. About the do's. Use negative keywords to exclude terms from your campaigns and focus only on the keywords that matter to your customers. Optimize your websites for mobile devices and also your site's loading speed, as it is a factor that Google contemplates in its ranking. Also, you should optimize images for SEO. Name your images with descriptive file names so that Google can understand the content in your image. Use link building. Take care of the structure of the content. Set the crucial information above the fold, apply the scan or read dialog, maintain the balance of text and images, and of course beware of the background. Focus on user experience, navigation, breadcrumbs, and internal linking. And, of course, keep a simple and easy to remember domain name. Then, what you should avoid. Keyword stuffing. Don't use a lot of keywords that aren't related to your content. Spam remarks or duplicating content. Buying or trading backlinks. If you're buying links to boost your website's rankings, you might end up with a penalty from Google. And lastly, cloaking. This is when a website shows search engines one version of a URL, page, or piece of content for ranking purposes while showing another to the actual visitors. Okay, maybe now you understand how SEM works, but do you know how can you use it yourself? We also have some advice on that. We are happy to inform you that there are multiple ways of implementing SEM. One is Google. People use this search engine over 3.5 billion times a day. Each search offers opportunities for you to get your brand in front of more users. That's why Google created Google Ads. This is a product that helps you run your business and improves your ads to get better results. Overall, depending on your goal, it can provide your business with different strategies and technologies. To be able to create those amazing campaigns, you need a Google Ads account, an email address, and a website for your business. Google offers a variety of different campaigns that you can use, like app campaigns, video campaigns, display campaigns, or search campaigns. Google Ads operates under a pay-per-click model, so you pay for each action, like when people click to call your business, visit your website, or get directions to your store. When thinking about web positioning, you should also take into account your ad rank. This is the result of your bid amount combined with a quality score made by Google. Your quality score is an estimate of the quality of your ads, keywords, and landing pages. The score number is between 1 and 10. The higher you score is the better you'll rank and the less money you will have to spend. But don't worry about calculations. Google will inform you about your score and give you specific recommendations on how to improve. As we were saying, the result between those two creates the final rank of your ad among search results. However, we remind you that even if you pay for having more visibility, you still need to follow the same parameters as in SEO, because search engines will always prioritize that the user finds what they are looking for. Almost 10 minutes full of information about SEM, SEO, and Google Ads. I think that is enough for today. We hope these words sound more familiar to you than before, and of course, thanks for your attention and see you next time.